Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a very quick guide on how you can create Supabase account. Of course, first you will have to search for the official website of Supabase. And once you're here, you will just have to click Start Your Project, which is this green button right here. And then what you will do next is you will click either Sign In or sign up now. So what you will have to do is click that. And then once you're here, you will just have to choose how you want to create your account, which is either continue with the GitHub, or you can input your email or password. And yeah, that's basically just it. You will just have to use your email and then enter your or create your your password. And then Supabase will ask for your basic profile details such as your name and organization, and you will just have to fill this in if required. Next, you will just have to check your inbox for a confirmation email and then click verify email because your account won't activate until you do this. After verifying, you will just have to return to your Supabase account, and then you will be redirected to your dashboard. And finally, click new project if you want to start creating your first database. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.